I'm Jeffrey Chudner. I'm the Chief of Police in Oviedo, Florida. And this is the Cops for Kids car show. This is our 12th annual Cops and Cars for Kids car show. The show serves several purposes. Number one, it helps raise money in conjunction with the Optimist Club for special needs programs and for cancer research for kids. An added benefit is the interaction we have with our police officers from the Central Florida area and the citizens of the Central Florida area. We have over 30 different agencies here with different vehicles, military-style vehicles. We have helicopters, canine demonstrations, and the whole key of this is to get that positive interaction in an informal environment so that we can bridge a gap between officers and the public. And along with that, there's a regular car show with antique vehicles, muscle cars. So it's kind of a conglomeration of officers and the public working together to have a fine afternoon.